You're welcome to today's analysis. Bitcoin is trading at 34.4k, and after the Fed interest rate meeting on Wednesday, the market moved up, the market is coming back down. What should you be expecting right now without doubt? On the 4-hour chart, ETH, right here, I'll be talking about all of this in today's analysis. If you are new to this channel, please like the video, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. And on the 1-day chart, Bitcoin, if you look at it, market moved a little bit upward on Wednesday after the Fed interest rate. Remember, Fed kept interest rates unchanged, and for Bitcoin there is no drastic movement are supposed to be expected, and the reason is because market has already moved all the way from here up to this very point prior to that Fed keeping rates unchanged, and right now market is coming back down. So we can also say that market move upward and come back down to the same point almost immediately, and that is very important to what you should be looking out for right now technically on your chart. So we've seen the fundamental part of what Bitcoin should possibly do in the next coming days and weeks right here. So like I said in my other videos right here on the channel, pay attention to the market breaking on this very level of support. Once market break here, this market is going to have significant retracement to the downside, and I'm looking at the market coming into the $31,000 and $30,000 retracement downward. And another form of retracement that we can also see in the market is consolidation. That means market fail to break this level of support. So if we see the market failing to break this level of support and the market begin to consolidate within this zone, then that means we need to pay attention to breakout for market to move upward. But expect the market to retrace right now, and for you to take a short position on this retracement on the 1-day chart, you need to wait for the market to break this level of support right here. Once that breakout occur, then the market is going to move right down with a significant bearish candle right here on the 1-day chart. This is what you should watch right now. Market is going to go down, and once that breakout occur, I will still update you for a short opportunity in the market. And on the 4-hour chart, if you look at it very well, the market is at this level of important support. Like I told you, this level of support is very important if the market should come back down. So for the market to come back down, there should be a breakout of this level. That means the possibility for the market to come in right here and then move back up is there, because this level is a very important level of support in the markets right now, and that is what we are seeing right here. Markets have capacity of moving from here to the upside. So on the 4-hour chart Bitcoin market, if it do not break out, then market is going to move upward for the next move. Remember, the market broke out and then come back for retest on this level of support right at this very point. So market have capacity of moving to the upside right now on the 4-hour chart, and if we see a breakout right here with a significant bearish candle, then that also means market is going to move to the downside on the 4-hour chart BTC USDT. And on ETH, the same thing. This level that I drew in my immediate last video about this level of important support right at this very point, market can move up from this zone, because you see the market creates a new high after the Fed interest rate decision on Wednesday right here, a new high, and then come back down. Market have capacity of moving back up again right now, as you can see. So a buy position would be a better thing to do from here to the upside. And if you see a breakout of this very zone, then the market is going to move downward. That means if breakout happen on this level of support with a significant bearish candle, then market is going to move to the downside. And the target, like I said, is this very zone of support right here on the chart is what you should pay attention to, because that breakout is going to send the market into this very zone of important support at this very point. And this is what you must have to watch closely right now if the breakout occurs. Rather, buying the market from here will be a nice thing to do to the upside. And on the other chart, you see ADA created a new high after that very release on Wednesday right here. A market come a little bit upward. I am expecting this market to retrace right now. I am not expecting ADA to make another new high from this zone 0.33 at this area and to this very level of important support. At this point, market should retrace within this zone to the downside into this very level of support and this other level of support before the market from here will move up again from this very zone. So this is what you should be watching right now on ADA2. And on Matic created a new high right here and then retracement. What I am expecting on Matic is the market to come back down a little bit into this very zone of support before the next move to the upside. So buying the market from here for me will not be a nice thing to do. Market should come down into this very strong level of support at this very area. Then from here, market is going to move upward for a buy position on Matic. This is what I am expecting right now. And if we see a breakout on this level of support on Matic right here with a significant bearish candle to the downside, then market is going to ride down and the target is this very area at this very point. So this is what I am watching right now on the chart after the Fed interest rate decision, and this is very important for the market to move upward. So for Bitcoin, market should break here first on the 1-day chart. If I do not see that breakout, I am not going to take a short position. So what do you think on the chart right now? Do you think this market is going to break here and move right down? Comment below in the comment section of this video. And if you are new to this channel, please help like the video, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.